Hi, it's Courtney and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm showing you how I did this soft pink glam eyeshadow look with a rose gold glitter using the Beauty Bay Brights palette. Apply a generous coat of concealer onto your lid and carve out the lower side of your brow to remove any product. This concealer also acts as a sticky base for any eyeshadows. Ensure there is an even layer across your entire lid to avoid a patchy finish to the eyeshadow look. The first shade you will be using is Dragon Fruit. Pack this shade onto your entire lid and bring it slightly above the crease line. Then, using the same shade on a fluffy blending brush, go over the edge of the shadows you have packed onto the lid and diffuse the edges. Then, using the same shade on a fluffy blending brush, go over the edge of the shadows you have packed onto the lid to diffuse the edges and begin to blend them up into the crease. Just to let you know that for the next few weeks I'm going to be uploading Easter themed looks, so make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of the cute pastel Easter content. Once the shade Dragon Fruit is really blown out, go over the edges of the look with the shade Tutu on a slightly larger fluffy brush. Doing circular and windscreen motions with your brush will assist in easily merging and blending the shadows together seamlessly. To highlight the brow bone, take your favourite pink tone highlighter. I'm using MUA Cosmetics Pink Shimmer and apply it directly below the brow hairs and above the eyeshadow blend. Take your preferred glitter glue and rose tone loose pigment. I'm using NYX Glitter Glue and Bonbon by Doll Beauty. Decant a small amount of glitter glue onto your hand and using a brush, pat it gently onto your lid. Then take the pigment onto a clean brush and pat it down onto the glitter glue to allow it to adhere. To add depth into the crease, go back in with the shade Dragon Fruit in windscreen wiper and circular motions. Starting on the lower lid, take Dragon Fruit and apply it across the entire lower lid directly below the lash line. Blend this out using the shade Tutu and using the remaining product on the brush to bring the shadows downwards. Highlight your inner corners with that same pink tone highlighter to complete the eyeshadow look. Curl your lashes with a lash curler to prep them for mascara and false lashes. Apply a generous coat of lengthening mascara to your top and bottom lashes. The lashes that I'm using for this video are the Doll Beauty Brooke lashes, however you can use any long wispy lashes you have available. Now one eye is complete, I'm just going to go off camera and do the other one. Both eyes are now done, so take a pink shimmery lip gloss and apply this to your lips. The one I am using is Revlon Pink Diamond. So that's the finished look. I really hope you enjoyed this simple and easy pink rose gold glitter eyeshadow tutorial. If you did, let me know by liking the video and commenting down below. If you decide to try out this tutorial, make sure to tag me on Instagram at Courtney Beauty UK so I can see all of your beautiful looks. Make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you never miss any uploads, and I'll see you next week. Bye!